Hey y'all, so I wanted to walk y'all through this quick update that I just noticed. So I don't know how recent this is or not. Um, I may be like late to the game, but I wanted to show y'all this cool feature that I just saw inside of Google Drive. Now, if you are someone who works in multiple Google Drives, shared drives, you are managing clients or clients within Google Drive and you have folders for them, this will be very helpful for you. Or if you're working with contractors who is putting work with inside of Google Drive folders for you, um, this is what I use it for, managing clients' work, staying up to date. And so if you click on a folder in Google Drive, now this is also particularly with paid accounts. I have a paid account. I'm not sure if this works inside of free accounts. So I wanted to point out the Ask Gemini feature, which is new, and then also this setup and automation feature. Now, it doesn't say new, but this is my first time seeing this today. And so once you go into Google Drive, you can set up an automation and literally you can kind of choose what that automation is, right? So one of the things that I did is when someone adds a new file into a particular folder, it's going to automatically let me know that inside of Google Chat, right? And so you can literally do so many of these, right? So you can be notified when a file is added. It can create tasks for you when files are added. So let's say you have a workflow. For example, one thing that we recently set up is we're doing outsourcing, or we're collaborations and partnerships with a client. And so with the person that we're collaborating with, if they upload graphics or pictures or their resume or their agreement, or a consent form, I'm just pulling out ideas for you guys. If they upload something into a folder, now you can set up an automation within Google Drive where it's going to automatically create a task inside of Google Tasks, right? Everything is operating inside of Google to where you now can be notified like, hey, this was just submitted into this Google Drive folder. Create a task to review the submission, right? Isn't that cool? And then of course you can do it in other things. So for this one, when something is sent, they notify you. And you can create more of these, right? So I just wanted to point that out in case y'all didn't know. All you do is go to a folder, click on those three dots, and click setup and automation. And then of course we know we can ask Gemini. So if you're looking for something, instead of you trying to spend all these times for one, get organized. And if you need help with organization, I'll let your girl. But you can also just ask Gemini now. And you can say, hey, Gemini, I'm looking for a document relating to this offer that I do, specifically like my content plan or what have you. And it'll find it for you guys. Like, what? This is so cool. If you need more tips, more operation thing, go sign up for the Empire Effect Agency's newsletter where I'm dropping tips and operations, do's and don'ts, and giving you all of the operational tea. Okay. And so I will talk to y'all soon.